It's Marissa. I just wanted to share a package that I got from Stephanie, Scrappy Mom of Two, and a few things that I picked up today when I was getting some groceries of all things. So anyway, I'll start with Stephanie's package. It was really, really sweet. And I love, this is so cool, the chevron package. She gave me some gum, and how cute is that? And I love strawberries. I am, so awesome, Stephanie. You just hit the nail right on the head. I love strawberries, everything strawberry. So that's awesome. And then she gave me a little pouch of goodies. Oh, Dove chocolates, you know the way to my heart. That is awesome. And some M&Ms. I know my kids saw this and they're like, hey, M&Ms. M&Ms. And my daughter's like, I want M&Ms. So, yeah, those two packages may be spoken for, but I have to say these Dove chocolates are mine. And then included in there, she put some Cinnamon Supreme. Ooh, oh, I love these from Bath & Body. Thank you so much, Stephanie. That was so sweet of you. I appreciate it. And I got a sweet little card from her as well. So thanks, Stephanie. And anyway, so go check out her channel. Then I stopped at Walmart because I had to get milk and all that kind of stuff. So I had to stop and get some conditioner, some Biolage conditioner, and they have it at their little hair cutting place that I would never get my hair cut at, but I really try not to be stuck up, but they don't cut very straight, so that's horrible. But anyway, I love OPI nail polishes, and believe it or not, you know, I'm 30-ish years old, and I just started wearing nail polish recently because I just never did. And so anyway, this is the Germany collection, Germany's, and I actually love these sizes. I never thought I would, but they're perfect because I'm messy and I'm terrible at doing nail polish, so the teeny brushes are best. So one is Don't Pretzel My Buttons, $9.99, okay fine, Unforgettably Blue, and Susie and the Seven Dusseldorfs. So some really pretty colors, a blue, a gray that I have on, and that's kind of like a tan or a light beige color, and this really pretty purple. So yeah, my little thing right there. And then I was looking for the Martha Stewart Swiss cheese punch because I saw Kraft and Kate use it in a little glassine bag. She punched stuff out and made confetti with her punch. And then I saw this one at Walmart, and I'm like, hey, that looks like that Swiss cheese punch. So, and you can make your own little colored confetti to put in the glassine bags or to kind of sprinkle on a layout. So I got that. And then my Walmart finally got the dollar little 97-cent stuff. So the kids will enjoy the little heart punch, and I'm sure I'll enjoy it a little bit too. And a couple of packages of buttons. And some of the dollar stamps. Oop, I guess another package of buttons. Those are pink, and then there was red and purple. And this one, Love Grows. And the little, whoops. And the little owls here. And the little bicycle one I've seen a lot of people with, Forever Friends. And then some keys. So anyway, super short video. I just want to say thank you so much to Stephanie. It was so sweet, and it's just been a really emotional past few weeks. I'm a teacher, and we've had parent-teacher conferences tonight, and just, you know, everything that goes on. And we had some disaster training, active shooter training, and that was last Friday, and I haven't really recovered from that. I just am still not, I'm just not on. And Stephanie, that package really cheered me up. Thank you so much. And I'm just blessed that I have a good family and good friends, and that I love what I do. So anyway, thanks everybody for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.